In today's video, I will guide you on how you can use Google VEO 3 AI video generator easy guide. So let's get started. So first, you want to go into deepmind.google/models/VEO. Once you're here, you can go into Gemini or you could try it in Flow depending on which one you'd want. In my case, I'll just go with Flow right here since we would want an AI video generator, but actually you could also use Gemini, but it is less stable. So if you would want a more cinematic and higher quality generation, then you can go with Flow because Gemini is only great if you are going for a fast response or rapid production. Then you can go for Gemini in that case. But if you're going to go for quality over quantity, then I suggest you go for Flow. Once you're here in Flow, you can now click here on Create with Flow. And from here, you will now be prompted in here. You can now click here on Create New Project or plus New Project in there. And then you will now be prompted into the chat. So in here, you can now generate a video with a text. And from here, the first thing that you'd want to customize is that you have your options in here. So first is this one, text to video. You can go for text to video, frames to video, or ingredients to video. But this is only available on Ultra. And then here, you'd be able to see the model that you are currently using in this output. And then you could go for VEO 3 right here, which has the beta audio. And yeah, basically just choose the model that you'd want. Let's say I'm just going to go for VEO 3 right here. And remember, since the VEO 3 is in beta, as you can see, there is a notice in here that sometimes audio will not be generated. So I'm just going to go and paste my sample prompt in here and now click here on the enter icon and then it will now generate us the video. So just wait for it until it finish generating the video and then we can play it and see what it got for us. Now here it is. And now my credit has been reduced by 40. So this generation has cost me 40 credits. So I think that would be 20 per each video that was added right here. So be mindful of your credits because Flow is a credit-based platform. So you will not be able to use this once your credits run out. And then you can always click here on get more AI credits if needed. Then you would have to pay for this one right here. So yeah, it's quite expensive. So make sure that you keep track of your credits. Next is that we would be able to add this to scene. We could download it, we can view in full screen, or we could also delete or flag an output if we don't like this output so that we would be able to let Flow know about it. And now let's click on add to scene. And then you'll be prompted into the scene builder right here. And then you can click here on plus, and then you'd be able to click here on extend. And then you can go for what happens next. And then you can now provide the prompt right here to extend it. And then it will now use this as the previous scene and then generate something that would be connected to the scene right here. So this is another great feature that you could use in VEO 3. So you can use this when you want multiple shots or details in one continuous scene. This gives Flow more direction on how the scene unfolds, like cutting between wide and tight shots or showing facial emotions alongside actions. So instead of overwhelming one prompt with too much info at once, you can use add to scene to structure it step by step. One last thing is that you'd be able to download this in upscaled original size and animated GIF if you'd want to, and they cost 0 credits. So yeah, this is it on how you'd be able to do this. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.